Hi, Taurus. This is Chloe from the Galactic Soul, and I am bringing you your love reading for February. It is love month, and I figured why the hell not bring this back. So here we are. This is for anyone out there who may need it, Taurus. All right, so we're just gonna see what flies out, shall we? All right, so I am already seeing some crazy cards. All right, so Taurus, first off, I'm going to do another shuffle and see what else pops out. However, first off, you are moving on to calmer waters. We have the Six of Swords. Six of Swords is moving on to calm waters. It's been a little crazy for you. It's been too crazy. And you are finally getting some calm energy your way in relationships. So whether you want that or you don't, either way, it's happening. That is the energy that I'm reading. And you are, whether you're in a relationship or you're not, as of right now, I'm not 100% sure, but you are looking for stability. You're looking for stability in the relationship you have, or looking for a relationship that is stable. We have the Four of Pentacles. Now, the Four of Pentacles usually means stable finances, stable in materialistic things. So anything you have and you can touch, tangible items. So the Four of Pentacles is basically you trying to hold on to something. So just making sure my mic is plugged in. Are you moving on to calmer waters because it was crazy, but you're still trying to hold on to it? Taurus, that could be the situation. But looking at the next two cards, I don't think that's the situation, because the next card is the Ten of Cups. Wait, might be the situation, because we have the Six of Swords, we have the Four of Pentacles, then we have the Ten of Pentacles, and then we have the Two of Swords, which makes me believe that you're trying to hold on to something that you thought was going to be the Ten of Pentacles.
Hi friends, just wanted to put a shameless plug in here about my free ebook available on my website, thegalacticsoul.com. It's super easy, and you go to the website, you click the first button that says free ebook, and then you enter all of your information, and bam, the free ebook is right in your inbox. The ebook goes over the basics of mediumship, how to start your journey connecting to the other side, and much, much more. Again, you can go to the website, thegalacticsoul.com, or you can click the link in the pinned comment below for more info. Now, back to the reading.
And the Ten of Pentacles, it's like a mystery movie. That's it. Oh my gosh, my dog is going nuts. I am so sorry. But the Ten of Pentacles, you think that that's what's going on, but you're trying to hold on to something. You're trying to hold on to a dream, a thought that this is what was going to be it. But then the Two of Swords pops in. You're making a decision whether to come or go. You're making a decision whether you you stay or leave. Honestly, you really need to move on here. I know it was your Ten of Pentacles. You really wanted it to be. However, it's not stable. And it's not stable. It is rough waters. You need to think about yourself, and you need to think about the future. This is not going to be comfortable for you. All right, Taurus, it's not going to be comfortable for you. Let's see what else comes out. Oh, 100% what I just said. Takes me a few minutes, right? Takes me a few minutes to get it, but we got it. All right, so we have the Tower. We have the Tower. Now, the Tower is literally shake things up. We need to start over here, and you need to get used to the fact that that is not your Ten of Pentacles. You thought it was, but it's not. There's going to be another Ten of Pentacles. It's actually going to be better than that Ten of Pentacles. So you need to make sure that everything that you learned here is brought into the next one. However, everything materialistic of this bond needs to go. It needs to leave. There's the door, because you are working hard on yourself, honey. You're working harder on yourself. You have, I don't know why my Brooklyn accent came out, but you're working hard. You have the Eight of Pentacles here. You're working hard. You're working diligently on yourself, and you are becoming the Empress. You are becoming the Empress here. So you need to move on from this situation, because you are just a bud. You're just a bud right now, and you are going to bloom into a wonderful flower. We are going to look at what Spirit wants to say with this. I just dropped this. This is not for you. Not for you. Finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. I don't know if you can see that. These are hard to zoom in on because there's so much going on in the card. Finances and career. So you finding that stability is super, super important for you, Taurus. You need to move into more of a, we can't have this up and down. We can't, of course, ebbs and flows, right? But you can't have the up and down, the crazy, sporadic. It's just not working for you. It's not working for you, honey. And I'm just validating the energy that we have. If you have any questions, I'm here for you. You can obviously leave a comment down below. Definitely subscribe though, because I do a lot of tarot, universe things, and awakening things. So if that is your jam, definitely hit subscribe. But if you need anything, I am here for you. And best of luck and be well.